Sabi ba? Dream of my life, my living and born desire. Hey,
Wow!
it's sound and now it's fire. All hey and sweet, so deep to inspire. To die for thy sake, that thou mayst aspire and sleep in a bosom, eternity's long. If over my grave someday thou seest grow, and the grassy soil a humble flower, do it to my lips and kiss my soul, so I may feel in the brow and the cold down below, the touch of thy tenderness, thy free, warm power. Let the moonbeam over me stop and serene. Let the dawn shed over me its radiant flashes. Let the wind with the settlement over my king, and if on my cross a bird shall be seen, let it gather to peace to my ashes. Let the sun through the vapors up to the sky, and heavenward in purity bear my tardy protest. Let some kind soul over my eternally sweet side, and in the still evening, a prayer be lifted on high from thee, O my country, that in God I may rest. Pray for all those that hopelessly died, for all who have suffered and miss your pain, for mothers that bitterly their wounds have cried, for widows and orphans, for captives by took pride, and then for thy son, that redemption thou mayest gain. And when the dark night wraps the graveyard around, with only the dead and the vigil to see, break not my repose or the mystery profound, and perchance thou mayest hear a sudden sound. 'Tis I, O my country, wishing a song unto thee. Then will oblivion to many care, as over the vales and plains I sweep, rubbing and cleansing the space and air, with color and light, with song and lament I fare, ever feeding the faith that I keep. My fatherland adored, that service to my thorough limbs. Beloved Filipinas, hear now my last goodbye. I gave you all, parents, kindred, and friends, for I go and slave before the precious bend, where faith can never be, and God is here on high. Farewell to you all, for my soul turn away. Friends of my childhood in the home dispossessed, give thanks that I rest from the wearisome day. Farewell to the two sweet friends that lighten my way. Beloved creatures all, farewell, in death there is, in death there is rest.